AI has been rapidly advancing in recent years, with its applications becoming more and more prevalent in our daily lives. From virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa to autonomous vehicles and even medical diagnosis, AI has proven to be a game changer in many fields. However, as AI becomes more sophisticated, some have raised the question, is AI winning the battle against our subconscious minds? The subconscious mind is responsible for many of our automatic behaviors and responses. It controls our breathing, heart rate, and other bodily functions, as well as our emotions, beliefs, and memories. While we may not be aware of it, our subconscious mind plays a significant role in our decision-making and overall well-being. On the other hand, AI is designed to process and analyze vast amounts of data quickly and accurately. It can recognize patterns, make predictions, and even learn from its mistakes, making it a formidable opponent to the human mind. AI can perform complex tasks that would take humans much longer to complete, and it doesn't tire or get distracted. So, is AI winning the battle against our subconscious minds? The answer is not straightforward. While AI may outperform humans in certain areas, there are still many things that our subconscious minds do better than AI. For example, our subconscious minds are better at recognizing faces and emotions. We can instantly tell if someone is happy or sad, even if they're trying to hide it. AI may be able to recognize facial expressions, but it cannot replicate the human ability to empathize and understand the emotions behind them. Our subconscious minds are also better at creative problem-solving. AI is excellent at finding patterns and making predictions, but it cannot come up with truly novel solutions to complex problems. Our subconscious minds are capable of generating new ideas and making connections between seemingly unrelated concepts. Furthermore, our subconscious minds are better at making ethical decisions. AI is only as ethical as the data it's fed, and if that data is biased, the AI will be too. Humans, on the other hand, can take into account various ethical considerations and make decisions based on empathy and a sense of morality. In conclusion, while AI may be winning in some areas, it is not necessarily winning the battle against our subconscious minds. There are still many things that humans do better than AI, and our subconscious minds remain an essential part of our decision-making and overall well-being. As AI continues to advance, it's crucial that we recognize its limitations and continue to value the unique strengths of the human mind. James Hughes assisted with Openai.